Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm taking a look at this SpyderCHECKR 24 from Datacolor. So what this color chart does for me is it does help me color correct my videos correctly, because when it comes to that space I'm not so good at. I kind of mess up when it comes to color correcting, so this is where that color chart comes in. So today I'm going to be using Davinci Resolve because it does have an option there to select the color chart and it makes it easier to match things up. So let's get right into it. So let's get started. So right now I do have Davinci open here and I have Davinci Resolve Studio 16. Version is 16.2.2 and this is the latest version for now. And I am on the coloring area right now here. So first thing what I like to do is under color match, I go ahead and select the SpyderCHECKR 24 here. So click that. And right now you can see the colors are matching. And the next thing what you want to do is just click right over here and we're going to select color chart. And zoom out, and I just want to drag things and so we can match things up. And let's go here. One suggestion was whenever you're holding the color chart, just try not to put your fingers over the colors. And let's go ahead and go over here. So right now I'm using Vlog on my GH5 camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and select that. So depending on what camera you have, if you have one of the settings that's already here, you can go ahead and just select it. But for now it's Vlog for me. And target gamma, you want to set it at 709, same here. So color temperature, sometimes I try to play around with these. Maybe I put it a little bit higher, depending on what lighting I'm using and all that. So let's go ahead and click match. Definitely you can see right away the colors are the correct colors. Just like the balloon here, it's like bluish. This one is like a little bit silver, but the reflections and everything. And one thing I would like to do is, because it's a little bit dark, and I'm gonna go ahead and white level here. Let's just put it 2.9. So it's a little bit brighter. I'm gonna go up to 1. So this seems about right. And zooming in on the pages here, so it does have that like gold tint here. You can definitely see the letters, which looks, the color is kind of correct right now. So let's go ahead and uncheck this so you can see the color correction and without. So let's take this out. So definitely a very big difference here. And this only took me a minute like just to do. And where before it would take, like if I were gonna do like color correction manually, it would take hours. Even though like this is not perfect, obviously it would still need a little bit more adjustment, but for me it looks good enough to go ahead and publish this video. But if you're a beginner, this definitely will help you a lot for sure. So my final thoughts when it comes to using one of these color chart for your images or videos, it definitely helps if you're new to like color correcting like myself. It does make that job way easier. Like on the back we do have the grays, so if you want your camera to get the white balance correction check and all that, you have that at the back. You can point your camera here and get the white balance, and which is nice. And in the front here we do have all the colors. And as you can see here, this is me using on my GH5 Vlog. So right now I'm using Vlog, no color correction at all. And right now I'm using the color correction straight from here, like you saw me do earlier. That was like as simple as it can get. Pretty much just drag the color chart, match it up, and click the button there. And here you can definitely see the color differences here, with the plan, with the book here. So it's like a dark red and it has like this gold cover. Like when you're doing manual color correction, this job tends to go like way harder. Obviously, you're gonna need to do a little bit more color correcting if you want to get it to perfection. So this is when you want to do a simple video, have it color corrected quickly. This makes the job way easier. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you guys have any questions when it comes to Davinci Resolve or like the color correction part of it, please go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.